Hello darlings, welcome to Myra Beauty. So today it's going to be a really short video. You know how I did the beauty hacks a couple videos ago. It's going to be a beauty hack video part 2 and it's going to be really quick and simple. Yeah, so hope you enjoy this. I'll have something longer and better next week.
Okay guys, for the first beauty hack, we're going to take some turmeric and a little bit of coconut oil, and you're going to stir this together until you create a paste. This is for stretch marks, and put it on once daily for 2 weeks. I ain't about to demonstrate it because you ain't going to see my stretch marks, but anyway. For the next beauty hack, take some olive oil, and we're going to add a little bit of honey. And you're going to stir this until it's combined. It might take a minute, but just stir that all together and put it on your split ends to help seal those. Next, we're going to take a little bit of baking soda and some coconut oil. Stir that together till combined. Put it on your toothbrush to brighten up your teeth. Next, we're going to take some green tea that's been soaked in cold water. Lay down and put this over your eyes for puffy eyes. Do it for about 5 minutes. Next, we're going to take some beet juice. Take a little bit of honey. Stir that together. It might take a minute. And take a small makeup brush or a brush for your lips. I don't know how makeup works. Anyway, you're just gonna put that on your lips. I'm doing a bad job, but anyway, this is for tinted lip gloss. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.